Hi guys, Dave back again. Now I'm back here with Clankers and Kings doing my thing. Woot, woot, woot. So got a thing today. So what I've done is I'm going to share my screen so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I want to obviously further my ability to get some subscribers. So I'm asking ChatGPT, okay, to promote my new YouTube channel, Clankers and Kings. I've made a TikTok account, which is also called Clankers&Kings. Who should I follow on TikTok to further my ambition of getting 1,000 YouTube and TikTok subscribers in the next month? Well, let's see, shall we? Let's see what it can tell me, and see if we can follow the right people. And let's see what happens here. Boom. Right. TikTok. Will it understand from looking at my accounts the sorts of people, the sort of things I'm doing, the sort of people that would, what my niche? So it's interested in my niche, following the right accounts or close to your niche, learn what works, getting, yeah. Okay, so it's got that. Okay, gaming creator. Yeah, but observing how they structure. Okay, that's good. Gaming, millions, gaming and entertainment. Okay. TikTok growth. Okay, that would be good. How to use, follow strategically. Okay, well, this is interesting. Engage actively. Yeah, study their content patterns. Blah blah blah. Collaborate eventually. Create a content ecosystem. Post highlights from your YouTube on TikTok. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Use TikTok trends to repackage your clips. See. No, that's interesting. Okay. Please. Okay, so what I need to know is I need to know who I should actually follow in the B2B niche. I think I need to be more specific. Okay. We should, okay, please recommend B2B marketing focused TikTok accounts. B2B marketing and AI focused TikTok accounts that I should follow. Okay, boom. Let's have a look now. TikTok. High value. Okay. All right. This is what we wanted. So, okay. So we've got a few people here. Must follow. No good. Wide range. This is more what I was on. So I needed to be more specific to get it the input it needed. Couldn't just tell from looking at my stuff. But oh, here we go. Search on hashtags. A few things there. Oh, okay. I can suggest specific content ideas or script. Okay. Okay, well, let's do that. Yes, please. Yes, please. That would be freaking awesome. Come on. Buddy. Right. And then we should put these sorts of things into practice. Love the energy. Oh, here we go. TikTok first content plan. Right. We're on camera. My unfair advantage. You're showing experiments imperfectly. I'm not here to sell you AI dreams. I'm here to show you what works in B2B marketing when you try this stuff for real. That's gold on TikTok. Gold on TikTok. Boom. AI experiments, good, bad, and ugly. Hot takes behind the scenes. Oh, I'm liking this. TikTok per day. Cross-post the best ones to YouTube Shorts. Ooh, I asked AI to do my B2B marketing job, and honestly, there we go. Oh, there we go. Well, I shall do that. I shall return to TikTok, and we will start to follow some folks there and see what else we can do. So let's see if this will actually work. And I will see you. I will see you anon, friends. So sayonara. Catch you later. I'll keep you in the loop.